Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a unit sent in by Hewlett Hot Rods and Customs. They are in Hewitt, Wisconsin. This is out of a 76 Chevy Corvette. I don't know if this is the original stock model, but at any rate, we're here to do the final test before we send her back. So let's turn on the radio. And it was sent in. Radio works, but no sound from the 8-track, so we're not going to bother too much with the radio. We know that works. Let's pop in the tape. Neil Sedaka. Check our output. Balance to the left. Balance to the right. Okay, get rid of that stuff. I'm going to change tracks a bunch of times.
Sleep at night, so I wish there are plenty of pebbles.
Okay, we're at the end of a song here, so we'll just move on to the next track.
Collection now, it's a star-spangled world when your flags are on a train or chugging down the track.
All right. And that takes care of that. So not much to say. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next video, whatever that may be. So let's see if we can figure out how to find me again. There's me. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And if you have an 8-track player either for home or for car use, you can reach me at 928-533-9666. I also do FM conversions on classic car AM radios. Even if your radio is already FM, I can add a lot more output power to it, better reception, clearer sound, and all that cool stuff. So my website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you all next time.